What's up everybody, in this video I will be showing you what to do if the sound is not working in the Black Ops 6. So for that, make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it, and if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and press the bell icon uh so you don't miss any update for the future. So let's dive right into the video. In order to fix no audio issue in Call of Duty Black Ops 6, check Volume Mixer. Right-click on the sound icon and open up Volume Mixer and ensure Black Ops 6 is not muted. For doing that, what you have to do is to go to the Windows search bar and search in Sound Mixer. So once you do it, you will have to open this option up. So in the sound mixer option, what you have to do is to go and see the applications right over here. So once you see the Black Ops 6 option right here, make sure that its volume is full. So the next step is select the correct audio device. So if your Black Ops 6 is listed over here, make sure that you select the right audio device. For example, that can be speakers, Logitech headphones, or any headphones that you are using currently. So the third thing is update audio drivers. Then if the issue still persists, what you have to do is to verify game files. So after doing that, what you have to do is to disable the surrounded sound, and after that restart the game and PC. So that way your issue will be fixed. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.